Hey guys, Drifter here. You may have already noticed that my voice is not matching my lips. That's because this little bit is post-dubbed. Jessica and I tried to record on the boat that took us to Stingray City. Unfortunately, when you do that, when there's just like 40-mile-an-hour wind, it ends up sounding a lot like this. The wind was really high all day. It literally almost blew my drone away, so I didn't get a whole lot of drone shots, and it pretty much ruined all of our audio, so I'm going to be post-dubbing over a lot of this. But the short version of what's going on is that Jessica and I are on a catamaran, and we are sailing out to a place called Stingray City, where they've been feeding stingray for years, and tourists have come to the point to where they're almost domesticated. They're still wild animals, but they're so dependent on the fish that the tourists bring that you can literally go out there and pet them. And we're gonna go pet the stingrays, and then we're gonna be doing a little bit of snorkeling right at the drop-off.
I get it.
Oh my god, thank you Captain Seafire. I never would have been able to do this anywhere else in the world. I get to actually hold a stingray. Just gonna pull it back a bit if you can.
She's like, nah.
This little bit was recorded after I was done petting the stingrays, and basically I was just saying that it was an amazing experience. It was something super fun. I'd never petted sea life before, much less wild sea life, much less so many stingrays in such a short period of time. And when it comes to Gamers Bay Cayman, I was saying, well, you don't get to do this in Cologne, Germany for Gamescom. What I'm attempting to narrate in this scene is that I'm about to go snorkeling right at the edge of the reef, and just on the other side where you see that dark patch of water, it drops off about 3,000 feet, so it's right before the shallow and super deep oceans.
Well, I know I probably sound like a clown, but that's a sight I've never seen before in my life. I love it here, man. Feel like I'm
I had a great time snorkeling and exploring and doing nature things, so much so that I got completely and totally and utterly exhausted. The snorkeling experience was something alien to me, foreign. I know for those of you that live near a beach that have coral reefs and stuff like this, it's probably very normal, but I might as well have been on a movie set. It just felt like a fantastic planet to me that was not our own, and I loved every minute of it, and I almost went a little too far. The captain kind of got mad at me.
So how you feeling?
been a really good day. I enjoyed doing this, but my day started at 6 a.m. with radio interviews and stuff. I am officially beat. I need a nap super bad, like super bad. So I'm taking it on the boat. And finally, the last chunk of this video is just going to be like shameless shilling and sponsorship. So we went to the Kempton Seafire. They hosted us for the event. That's like a super fancy hotel chain, and they gave us a free room and all this nice stuff, which honest to God, I don't feel like I deserved. And they booked the Stingray trip, and they were super accommodating. And part of what I'm supposed to do in order for a tit for tat, a quid pro quo, is to show off their experience room, the Stay Human project, and sort of show off the nice things in the hotel in general. So here at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can vacation in the Cayman Islands at this very fancy hotel and live it up like you're super rich. Like, I don't know, most of the people that go to this hotel are ludicrously rich, so. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Of course I did. I set up this shot. Today was amazing. I haven't had this much fun in a long time, and honest to God, after a day of baking and burning and salt water and hot and dehydration, it's really nice to come back to a luxury resort. And I would recommend the Kempton Seafire, but I gotta get back to making some more Gamer Boy bathwater. I sell it for like $300 a bottle. Alright, that's all for this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something useful. If you did, don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. Drifter out.